guys, how you doing? Today is Tuesday, public holiday today. We're on our way to the zoo. We wanted to take Marla to the zoo. So the zoo is all the way in St. Elizabeth, so that's a good look at distance from where we are. But Deja drive and Marla is in the back. Say hey, baby. So we're on our way there now. It is now after 10, so we should be there about after 12 if all goes well on the road. Yes, I hope it's fun. I haven't been to this zoo before, but I heard it's pretty good. So we're going to be going. And today I was trying to do them again. Emancipation. Alright. I don't know them people. I don't know them, and it whatever. I don't know them. I don't know them difference. But just know say one is one and one is the other. So yeah, today is emancipation. Yes, we all have on matching necklaces. One of my YouTube sisters sell them here. She's from England and she sold these to us. Marla has one, I have one, and Babe have one. But we'll come up and show them. But it's just a nice gold necklace with Jamaica on it. So see if I can. Yeah, see that. Yeah, so it just has Jamaica on it. And I'm real cute, so go ahead and support my girl. I have the link to her Instagram in the description bar and our YouTube channel as well. So yeah guys, we're gonna show you guys the zoo. Hopefully it's very nice. Today nice and sunny, so it's like the perfect day to do something outside, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me to show you guys the zoo all the way in Senti.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we're here. It's our first time being here. Both our first times being here. It's kinda a little bit of not what we expected, and then at the same time it's a kind of full itself together. We are having something to eat. Babe, I eat ice cream and Marla eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. I'm just having a hot dog that me I eat because I haven't had anything all day. Wait more.
Santa and Sainty, you want to go ahead and say hi to them for me, please? No.
Hi.
Now, Santa and Sainty, there are two males. As you can see, the males have the mane facial hair. Females do not have any mane, no facial hair. Remember, you can also tranquilize them. Yes. Tranquilize them so they don't sleep first.
Okay.
NaturallyMsToya. Give me back down.
Bother him, we'll bother him.
Make sure to.
Bother him, make him make nice one.
Come now.
Try now. Sugar, sugar, sugar.
No, they're not ready. They're supposed to be.
Too cold? Too cold? Yeah guys, so the tour is finished. It was fun. Could I go on? I liked their what should I say, catalog of animals. The lions were the last thing we saw on the tour, and that did nice. So right now we're just cooling off because it was very hot today. So we're cooling off and then we're going to leave. Hey. Yeah, Marla is not for this heat, guys. The whole time she was kind of flustered on them somebody, but we're going to leave like any minute now. The guy is still over there doing the tour with another set of people. Well, yeah, but it was fun. It was very, very nice. I would definitely recommend this place to you guys. It's nice. I mean, not a lot of zoos in Jamaica, but it was refreshing to be in a zoo. They give you like armbands and everything, so everything is really, really official. Yeah, Marla took her headband off because the day was very hot. So we're just cooling off to leave. We're walking to the car, guys. Yeah, everybody hungry now. We just had some snow cones and I feel like we're probably going to go to KFC or something in Santa Cruz to get something to eat before we go home. Yeah, Marla wasn't too fond of today. Yeah, I just wish she was a bit older so she could understand, but I guess it was okay. She go on good. She never go on bad, but she never really, you know, she never really get what I go on. She just did it. But it was fun though, no lie. I haven't been to the zoo since I was like a child. So this was refreshing. And she's sleepy. She's sleepy and she wants some tea. So we're going to head to Santa Cruz now to get something to eat, back into the town, and then we're gonna go home. Yeah guys, so we're home now. I have my chicken and I'm getting ready to go eat it. So I just wanted to close out the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please give it a thumbs up and also hit subscribe for more vlogs because more vlogs are coming. I want to do a mukbang for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys want to see mukbang videos because yeah, I don't know, I don't really like eating on camera, but I would do a mukbang video for you guys if you guys want to see Jamaican food. So if you guys do want the mukbang, let me know in the comment section. Tell me down there if you guys want the mukbang. Again, the info on my necklace or matching necklaces actually, because I told you guys I got one for Marla as well and Babe as well. So yeah, I'm gonna put Deja's info in the description bar so you guys can check her out. And they're really cute. I love them. And the pendant is like really durable. It's really strong. So go ahead and check her out down below in the description bar. So yeah, I'm going to eat my KFC. I was told like Jamaican KFC is like the best KFC in the world, because I've had KFC in the US and it tastes like crap, like total crap. Pardon me, all my US subscribers, but in the ads. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.